Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: OS, RAM, and virtualization support. Once done, run the installer for your platform and accept system prompts. This grants the permissions needed. During the installer wizard, you choose container runtime and a Kubernetes version. Pick stable unless you need newer features. Make sure WSL2 is enabled on Windows or virtualization is active on Mac OS. After install finishes, launch Rancher Desktop so the app can initialize background services and set up the VM or node. You now configure resources and workflows inside Rancher Desktop. First, open Preferences and set CPUs, memory, and disk so Kubernetes and containers run smoothly. Apply changes and wait for reprovision. Next, use the embedded kubectl context. Confirm kubectl points to the Rancher Desktop cluster, then apply manifests and watch pods start. Build images with nerdtl or Docker CLI, tag them, and push to your registry or load them into the local store. This makes deployment predictable. Also learn to switch runtime. To finish, export kubeconfig or reference the Rancher Desktop context in CI pipelines so you can deploy from other tools. Once your apps run, monitor using kubectl and the app's diagnostics. Make snapshots before big upgrades. If something goes wrong, first restart the Kubernetes service or the app, then increase CPU/memory allocation and retry. These steps resolve most resource-related failures. If corruption persists, reset to factory defaults, but be aware this removes local images and state. Back up anything essential first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.